Dr. クラゲさん presents Weekly Fukuyama University. Hi, I'm Dr. クラゲさん the lecturer of Fukuyama University. This movie is the English translation of this movie for the foreign countries participant of the last month's session. In July, Marine Biological Station of Niigata University held an international course and I lectured a presentation for the participants online. So, this movie is the scenery of the lecture in my room. So, my lecture theme is Dr. クラゲさん Adventure for New Species Hybrid Work Among Field Aquarium and Laboratory. Oh, unique title. This presentation is talking about my taxonomic work from every aspect like field, aquarium or laboratory. Maybe same as you fears, I'm not good at English speaking so much, but I struggle to tell them that taxonomy and phylogeny is interesting and important. So, this is advertising to here. So, please enjoy the scene I am talking online in front of my PC in my room of Fukuyama University. So, the lecture will be started sooner. Okay, can I start? じゃあ、始めますかね。Okay, so nice to meet you everyone. I'm Takato Izumi, the lecturer of Fukuyama University. Maybe you feel that I'm not good at English so much, so awkward English and sometimes not go smooth. So if when you asking the question, please ask with easy English. Yeah. So let's start. And it is most important comedian with rakugo. Do you know rakugo? Japanese storytelling, traditional storyteller. So on this cushion. So and my nickname is Dr. クラゲさん. This is new species I describe. And this news is appeared to the top news of Yahoo Japan. Please look at this. Maybe you can't read, so I will read. エビ天にイソギンチャク発見. It is in English, a discovering of sea anemone like tempura cuisine. Oh, my life boast. Yeah, just a boast. Yeah. You know scientific name? Tempura, for example, tempura sea anemone. It had no scientific name, but I attached that Tempuractis rinkai. Oh, this is tempura. Great name. As judged as one species, you have no sense. Two species, ordinary. Three species, you are talented for taxonomy, and over four, no sense here. So, this animal corresponded, so this is not undescribed species. It's a pity here. So, if you want to remain your name, describing new species is easy, not easy, but not so difficult method for remaining immortal fame. Methodology Akeshi had not discovered from Akeshi for 80 years since the discovery. This anemone was become visionary and it was even said as become extinct in Akeshi. Yeah. All-star cast of researcher of anemone in Japan. It was very hard journey. In Hokkaido 2015. Please look the pictures of journey like this. Very interesting journey. Not only a new species but also some existing species. Now they are the all-star cast of which I treated in my paper. Churaumi anemones, fluorescent actinaridae, and more Edwardine, like Fujisan anemone, and so on. This anemone is on the crinoid echinoderms here. So, their species I treated. I have the #1 record of description of new species in Japan. Even including the people researcher passed away. I have the #1 record of sea animal. But, oh my god, how dare I say that? I cannot claim Dr. クラゲさん unless researching jellyfishes and Daigo, Orindius Daigo. Daigo, you know, the Okinawa's local flower. Okinawa's not traditional, Okinawa's famous song. Daigo ga saki mikawe. I don't know the but Daigo is sing by the song. So this is species name is Daigo. So finally, my life work is with jellyfish and anemones. Adventure with jellyfish and anemones is great my life work. YouTube. So I have a channel for education. Dr. クラゲさん lab. Dr. クラゲさん lab. So broadcasting the scenes of lab diving or aquarium. Dr. クラゲさん. Now approximately 2,100 subscribers. I want to in future I want to gain the money for research by YouTuber. So please, if you find this, please subscribe that. Not so much, but I am pleased if you subscribe. Finally, advertisement. But this is all for my lecture. Thank you for listening. Hey, did you enjoy it? I think that the presentation of lecture is entertainment. So always dedicating both funny and interesting lecture with some jokes. So this is all for weekly Fukuyama University of my lecture. Thanks for watching. See you.